missing light. First, it is a elemental. So let's check, is it yep, it's positive. It's a elemental. So first move is this. The first move and second move you will get is the flight. And then third is this. You still need to hold down. It's like a bullet or a machine gun. And this one. And then the last move is this. An awakening. And then the light is fast when you are full health. But let me show you what happened if it is not in full health. And then you cannot go anywhere without awakening this. In full health, it have a fast light. But in the middle, look at this. It have a slow flight. It is slow. You're like walking. So let me show you what is it in the middle. So it is fast, it is fast, it is fast. So that's the middle. It's kinda slow, like a normal flight. So that's all it. Bye bye. It's an awakening.